Mr. Moog. Enjoying your water, Gerd? Why do you stick your paw in there? Because you're a Gerd. I don't blame you, Mogi. Oh, Gerd, give Bambi a chance. You're such a little hog. And Bambi wonders, why does the water always taste like dog feet? Are you coming out, Mogi? Where are you? Where's Mr. Moog going? And there he is. Hi, Mogi. What's new in your world? Hey, Bambi. That's Creeper next door who wants to play. She's got quite a bark. Hi. Mogi, are you coming in? Kids next door. What? Did Mommy promise you she was going to get you some food? Okay. We can go inside and get some food. Okay. Hungry guys, huh? Okay. You want some homemade stuff? Let's go. Come on, Bambi. Mogi? Mr. Moog? Hey, Bird, you know what we're getting? Okay. Are you coming, Bambi? Okay, what can we get for you? Oh. Shoes on? Oops. Okay. Another one. Here. Oops. Oh, that's not mine. It's Heather's. That's yogurt. That's not doggy food. Here's doggy food. Hey, Mogi, you came in, did you? Okay. Oops. Okay, veggies. Oops. Okay. It's kind of watery. That's okay. Okay, Bambolina. Look at this. Aduki beans. What if we got some kind of meat? Rolled oats. And veggies. I see some corn there and tomatoes. Okay, Gerd. Oops. Okay, Mr. Moog. Waiting so patiently. Okay, what do we have there? Okay. Okay, Mogi. Okay. Oops, I dropped it. I hope you pick up the mess. Oh, I hate making a mess. Okay. It's good, huh? And let's get some of this. Okay, Mogi, now you have everything you like. Watch how fast Birdie eats her food. My, oh my. You're done, aren't you? Bambi gets half as much and she takes twice as long. And she's older. Good. You guys just love Mommy's cooking, don't you? We're still going to go for another walk, you know. Yeah. All done? Just some water for you, Gerd. There you go. Oops. Okay. All done, Bundy? Goody. There's nothing in there for you, Gerd. I don't think so. Actually, it's all for you. It's your cupboard. Okay. Oops. I'll pull down. Okay? Nothing. No, no, no. Oh, you think there's something back there? What did we find back there? Oh, look at this. Oh my, what is that? Should I get some scissors? Oh boy. Is this the stinky stuff that you guys like so much? Oh my, we're going to break them in half. Oh, it is. Okay. Bobby? Good. Okay, you know what? I'm going to keep that at the front door so that when Bumby goes running after cars that are driving up the driveway, she'll listen to me and come for a treat. You love those, don't you? Okay, that's it, guys. More tea for Mommy and more walk for the babbies. That's it. Oh, hey, Mogi, you're eating the last of it? Well, you can do that because I'm going to toss it. Go, right here. And Bumby, you want to lick the spoon? Hey, Moog, good for you. You want me to hold it for you? Here. You don't like to stick your nose in there. Yeah. Well, let me see if I can get just a little bit more off. Okay, here you go, Mogi. Okay. And I know someone who can get this clean. No, you're not going to grab it. Just lick it. Me too? Okay. Oh, Gertie, you're so pushy. Oops. Okay. Now we're happy. And now we can go for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? Okay.